All right. These are going to be east elevators at the, at what's it called? The Dolphin Resort in Lake Buena Vista, Florida. Oh, they replaced the chimes on these. And no voice or handrails on these either. Let's go to one. And slow doors. Well, the chime down here is original. It smells weird in here. We're gonna go up to 11. Oh, I love that chime. We're on 11. We're gonna go down to the lobby. Just like the other ones, it's a pretty nice elevator. You can see the fluorescent light above the tiles here on this one. And we're stopping on 3. Oh, that's lobby. Well, there it goes. All right, well, there it goes, and that's gonna be it.